Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to walk you through how to fix one of the most common frustrations in CapCut when templates just don't show up. If you're staring at your screen wondering where those cool, ready-made edits have gone, don't worry. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have several practical fixes to get CapCut templates back and working, so you can spend less time troubleshooting and more time creating. Alright, let's dive right in. The first and often simplest solution is to use CapCut's web editor. Sometimes, the desktop version might give you a headache with missing features, but the web version stays up to date. So open your favorite browser and head to CapCut.com/editor. Make sure you log in using your usual CapCut account. Once you're in, you should spot templates available directly in the web version. Browsers like Chrome or Edge work great for this, no need to install anything extra. Switching to the web editor is a quick workaround if your main app is giving you trouble, and honestly it comes in handy if you're editing across different devices too. Now if you're set on using the desktop application, check that you're running the latest version of CapCut. Out-of-date software tends to miss out on some new features, and templates are no exception. To update, go to the CapCut site or use the update option within the app itself. It's a good habit here. Think of it like giving your car a regular tune-up, it just runs better. Take a moment to close and reopen CapCut after updating, since changes might need a fresh start to kick in. And don't fret if it takes a minute to download, especially if your internet's having a slow day. Let's talk about VPNs. This next step comes in handy if templates are restricted by your region. CapCut sometimes limits features in certain countries. If you suspect this is the case, try using a VPN and connect to a server in the United States, as templates are usually unlocked there. Lots of VPN services offer free trials, and setting one up is typically as simple as picking your country and hitting connect. Imagine it like virtually hopping over to another place where CapCut rolls out the red carpet for template users. Once you're connected, relaunch CapCut and see if the templates section has popped back up. Here, another fix you might not expect. Simply start a new project in CapCut, then close it. This process can often refresh the interface and prompt CapCut to display the Templates tab on the left side. It's almost like tricking your app into revealing a secret feature. Don't worry if it doesn't work on the first try, sometimes repeating the process does the trick. It's a neat and quick solution that works for a lot of users. Sometimes the Templates tab is there but seems totally out of place, almost like it took a wrong turn and ended up hidden. If this happens, try resetting your layout. In the top right corner of CapCut, look for options like Reset Layout or Restore Default Layout. Clicking this brings everything back to where it should be, and the Templates tab usually snaps right into place. It's similar to tidying up your workspace. It makes things easier to find and keeps your editing flow smooth. So that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to get CapCut templates showing again and get right back to creating awesome videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or other fixes that worked for you, drop them in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe for more straightforward tutorials like this one. I'm always here to help you create with confidence. Thanks for watching.